Hello and welcome students to the section 6 Post-Exploitation with Metasploit. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we will learn about the overview of post-exploitation. We will learn various commands regarding Metasploit. Then we will learn about various scripts existing inside Metasploit. And finally we will learn about how you can perform privilege escalation inside victim machine. Post-exploitation overview. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about what is post-exploitation, and then what is the process to perform post-exploitation inside the victim machine that we are going to cover here in this video. So let's talk about what is post-exploitation. In the first point you can see that the phase just after penetration is called post-exploitation. Penetration means when you have attacked on a machine, or when you have intruded inside that machine, that is called penetration. And when you have already penetrated inside the machine, right, then the next step is called post-exploitation, when you are trying to go inside deep of that particular operating system and gather more and more information about the victim. That is called post-exploitation. Post-exploitation means after the exploitation step. Got it? So this is post-exploitation. Examples are here. For example, system files info, when you are trying to collect information from the victim machine files and folders, when you are trying to gather information about that machine login, username and password, these are the credentials. And then you are trying to basically upload a shell, or when you are trying to upload a backdoor inside the particular server or in the victim machine, right? So these are some examples regarding post-exploitation. Now what is the process of post-exploitation? So this is the process of post-exploitation, in which it starts with the information gathering part, right? Information gathering is basically when you are trying to gather information about the target machine, right? Second is vulnerability scanning. In vulnerability scanning, we means pen testers try to find out various loopholes available in the victim machine and then list all the loopholes or vulnerabilities at one place, which is called reporting. Third step is exploitation. Exploitation is also called penetration or intrusion, when you are trying to attack on a system, and when you have attacked on that system, that is called exploitation. It is like I have exploited the machine, means I have hacked the machine or I have penetrated the machine. Finally, post-exploitation. So these are the steps which are necessary to get the post-exploitation phase. After exploitation, it becomes post-exploitation. So now on Metasploit session, whatever you are trying to get information about victim machine like sysinfo, or you are trying to check the directories available inside the victim machine, or you are trying to insert any malware like keylogger or virus or worm inside that victim, that all is covered inside post-exploitation part. So this is the complete process to achieve or to get post-exploitation phase.